Hi, busy bees. Be busy in art. Vicky here from Retro Queen Bee Art. Lovely day to enjoy my new HIMI gouache paints. If you're interested in a set, I do have them in my Amazon store for purchase. The video is about how I opened the paint containers and painted on old book pages. Be creative in making marks on different pages with the different colors. You can use the painted book pages in future projects. My hands did get messy with paint, but it was a lot of fun. So just paint those many pages using the different colors. And here I did place the lids on Balsam Ink New Hampshire paper invoices. They are in my Ko-fi shop, listed as Vintage Shipping Supply Voices in digital format with 7 colors available. I made them free for this video for 4 days, but if you are able, I would appreciate you buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you.